Welcome everyone back to the channel. I'm actually currently standing inside of one of our food plots. As you can see, look how green it is. All this is rye and clover, or clove. But after a few hours today, it's not going to be. It's going to look like dark, rich soil. This is where we're going to put our crops this year. A future plan for us is we're actually going to build 2 high tunnels for hydroponic growing. So that's going to be exciting. But yeah, that's the plan today. I got the tractor over there with a disc. I'm gonna disc this up, gonna drag it. Gonna be completely different. And then next week we're gonna start planting. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait. I'm super excited. Also, this week sometime we'll be getting our little baby chickens. So about 100 baby chickens. 100. Hopefully we don't lose. Hopefully we only lose like. Somebody called me. Hopefully we only lose about 20% of those chickens. So it'll give us about 80 chickens. But yeah, when they poop, they make manure. We'll fold it in with our compost. And then we'll spread it in our garden. So it's going to be awesome. Can't wait for you all to see it. About to jump on the tractor, get to it, get this work done.
So as you'll see, this whole section right here is just me disking my first pass on our garden. I guess I can officially say like this is our garden now, which is kind of funny to say because up until this point we just used it as a food plot for hunting. But that statement by itself is exciting. We'll actually have a piece of land with its sole purpose is to provide us with food and resources. Like that should be a lot of people's goal right there. Not like making a bunch of money doing this, doing that, but having a piece of land, calling it your own, and being able to manage it and work it how you want. That in and of itself is amazing. But that's besides the fact. So as you'll see, this is my first pass. I'm using the disc. My first 3 or 4 lines, I think, I actually just run them parallel to each other instead of going in a circle. I wanted to establish a good edge at this portion that I'm actually doing right now. And then later on in the video, you'll see me running concentric circles, starting from the outside, working my way in, and then running a few straight lines down the center, just to break up that dirt even more. So that's normally how people do it. It's the quickest, easiest way in order to disc. So it took me, how long was it? About 4 hours of disking. It ended up being around 10 or 11 passes in total. I had my depths on my disc on my PTO actually set at a 5 on this first pass, and then on my second pass I keep it at a 5. On my third pass I end up dropping it to a 1, which is the lowest it'll go, so it's actually in the ground as deep as it can, just to get that deep turn, that deep till, and then I do that for I think 4 passes it wasn't in total. So that whole area I went around in circles, 4 passes, with my depth all the way dropped down into the dirt. And then my last 2 passes, I actually raised my disc out of the ground, set it on a 3, and I skimmed up the big clumps of dirt and everything just a little bit, just to break it up. So, and I actually didn't have to drag that much because it was pretty even by the end of me disking. Later on in the video I state that I was going to drag it with our homemade drag. I ended up only dragging the very edge of the whole perimeter of the garden, because going so deeply turns up that soil and kind of made a berm. So I kind of tried to just knock it down with our drag, and you'll see me do that at the end of the video. I'm really happy with the results that we got from this. One day's work, and I turned 2 acres of flat earth into a spot where we'll be able to make a lot of food. Like tons of food, more food than our family can eat. It's just exciting, like working your land, managing your land, making something out of nothing is just so gratifying to me. Yeah, it's hard, especially at the end of the day when I edit a video of us working all day. It can be a little hard and stressful, but I think it's worth it, and I think it's worth us documenting and showing everybody. So it just makes me excited, especially seeing people's comments and everything. Just like even 1 or 2 subscribers that we get a day is just like, oh yeah, somebody new is watching, and it's so exciting. So thank y'all, and I hope y'all enjoy the video.
So everyone, like we just saw, that was my first pass with the disc. I'm probably gonna do, I don't even know how many, 8 or 10 passes with the disc to break it all up, because it's essentially just like clods of grass and clover right now. So I just got to break all this stuff up to dark rich dirt. Like, look at that. There's so much moisture content in it because it rained so much yesterday. But like, take this clod and you just break it down over and over and over, like you're tilling. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Look at this. It's pretty gorgeous. The smell, if you could smell this, it's so good. It's minerally, grassy. Just, I love that smell. It smells so good. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're gonna continue to do this until I like the way it looks and the way it feels in my hands. And then we're gonna drag it. So enjoy the video, guys. We're starting our garden. We're starting our garden today, so it's pretty awesome.
So like I was saying, I am ecstatic about the results that we got today with disking this field. It is awesome. At least in my eyes, it's awesome. So I'm very happy. But you'll see right here, for instance, I put a camera on my disc so I could show people the actual discs, the scalloped blades, turning up that earth, because a lot of people might not know what a disc is and what it does to the soil. So that was my idea about it, and I think it turned out pretty well. But this is my second pass, yeah. So I'm still at a 5 at this point on my depth gauge. And I'll just continue doing my concentric circles. As you see, I'm just literally looping it back and forth like a race car. It looks kind of funny, but that's what it was. So the results were great. I loved it. And I'm just over the moon about being able to show our process on this farm. So continue watching, guys.
So everyone, you can see behind me, I'm still working on the garden, but Tristan came over here and he needs my help to push one of the trees he was dropping. So there's always something on the farm to do. So yeah, everyone, now I'm just pulling a tree for Tristan. So gonna get this done and go back to working on the garden. Tristan's riding a log. Just everyday fun stuff, y'all. Got more trees, y'all. As soon as I finish this, I can go back to working on the future garden, disking it up. But Tristan needed a little bit of help first. It's always something, y'all, but it's exciting, so it's cool. Just pulling trees right now. So gonna finish doing this. Hello everyone, I just got done helping Tristan pull those those trees out of where we were clearing in the past few videos. Just came back from inside actually, and you can see our actual 2-acre garden that's coming along from our barn. That is crazy. It's gonna be so freaking gorgeous, man. Like, I can't wait. But anyway, about to hop back on the tractor and do probably 3 or 4 more passes, and then I'm gonna start dragging it. So should be pretty cool. It's really overcast today, so it's me. It's also a little chilly, but look at this. You can actually see it.
So I wanted to include this clip. I was actually driving the tractor back to our garden, and just look at that, guys. Like, the result of at this point, it was 7 passes. It was 7 passes disking, and that was the result so far. I ended up doing 11 passes in total, and I was so happy just driving the tractor across this. It's so awesome. Like, you'll see a before and after clip that I took with the drone, and it's just night and day different. Look how dark and rich it looks. Like, I just can't wait to put our seed in the ground and then see little sprouts coming up, and then being able to pluck our own vegetables and then share them with people. Yeah, they might buy them from us, but having our name, Lally, on a product, and then somebody wants it so bad that they give us money for it, like, that is super cool. So at the end of the day, it's taking pride in your work, really. And my family and I are all prideful people, very headstrong and kind of bullheaded. So we want to put our best effort forward, and we want to go all in on any endeavor that we try. So showing y'all this process and getting these results is exciting. It's rewarding. And driving the tractor today, taking these videos, I was just smiling, listening to music, jamming out, and it was just an all-around great experience.
All right, everyone. Well, as you can see, I disked this to oblivion. It is ready to be drugged. Let's look. Oh my gosh, man. Look at this. Look at this stuff. It smells so good. So rich. This is going to be really, really awesome. So I'm going to go get the drag that we built in our second video, I think it was. And I'm going to drag this field now. Or I should say our garden. This is going to be our garden. It's going to have all kinds of produce. It's 2 acres, so we have plenty of land. It's not going to be just packed full. We'll have sections so that we can get to it easily. We're going to install wet pads and stuff like that, so that we can keep the amount of water that we need for each type of produce. So it's going to be awesome, man. Look at this stuff. Gosh, hope y'all are enjoying these series, these videos, because they're just going to get better and better. Each day I make a video, I edit it, so each day I get more and more practice. So by, I don't know, next year sometime or something, I'll be like, whoo, super awesome. But look at all this. Look behind me. This is awesome. And this hasn't even been drugged yet. So it's pretty even. It's just so rich. If you know what fresh cut grass smells like, this is like that, but 10 times better. It's like, it's awesome. Hey y'all, well, I went over to go see what Tristan was doing. Walk over here, and he's logging out some trees that he cut down. So I'm about to show you. I'm gonna go grab the drag while I'm over here, but look at this boy. He's all wood chipped out. He's been busy. Look at all this wood, man. Damn, got a lot. All this. We still got to cut these 2 trees up, those 2 trees back there. He's got more in here. He's been a miniature Buck and Billy Ray. A busy beaver, yeah. He's been over here clearing while I've been making our garden. So logged all this stuff up. So I guess we're probably going to be doing a log splitting video in a little while. Not today, but in a few days maybe. We could split all this. And then there's some more over here. But yeah, that's quite impressive there, Tristan. His back, he said his back's not gonna like it. That's true. It's because we have a 20-inch bar on that that chainsaw right now. It's not like a 40-inch, which would be really cool. That would save your back. 40-inch bar, Oregon bar. That'd be really nice. So
36.
The 36, yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna go get the drag, and we're gonna go hop over there to the garden and drag it and see what it looks like. Well, everyone, I just got our homemade drag from video 2 that we've made. I hooked it up to the tractor this time, not to the back of the side-by-side. Tristan's busy logging some trees. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drag it behind the tractor, and I'm gonna level out our new garden. And starting next week, we're gonna start planting, or actually in 2 weeks, we're gonna start planting, and it's just gonna be awesome, awesome, awesome. Just look at all that. That was done today. 2 acres, disc, turned into a garden. There's gonna be all kinds of produce out here. We do live in a wildlife management, like I've said before. So we're gonna have to put probably an electrified fence around our garden, just to protect it from deer and rabbits and anything else that would want to eat our produce. So we'll probably do a video on that as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna hop on the tractor, get to it, and then think about what I'm gonna do tomorrow. So yeah, hope y'all enjoy. Stay tuned.
So as you can see, I'm using our drag. If you want to see it working to its full potential, just refer to our second video. The thumbnail says box blade ? How to build a homemade drag. Just refer to that. It works, but I ended up not dragging the whole thing like I said earlier. I just did the berm that disking created on the outside edge. I liked the gradient that it already had, how flat it was, and in a week or two after it settles, before we plant, I'm going to end up disking it again, and then we're going to put our rows in it and everything for our actual plants. So that was that. I just want to say thank y'all so much. I say it in every video, but I truly mean it. So thank y'all. Hope y'all liked the video. If you did, just drop a like. If you like our growth and how I'm developing as like shooting video and actually editing, then just share some love and subscribe to our channel. I'll be making videos every day. And then when we have our animals, we'll do like a vlog style kind of thing, like day in the life, and you'll get to meet everybody, like my dad and my wife and my baby and everybody. So thank y'all so much. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. I hope y'all have a good day or night, and see you tomorrow. So bye. So this is just a before shot that I took with the drone. After this, it'll have an after shot from above. It turned out really good. I'm very happy with it, like I already stated. So I can't be more proud of it. So, but yeah, there it is. It is. Look how I still can't get over how dark and rich it looks. It's great. So thank y'all once again, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hope y'all enjoyed.